Wow, a lot. Which one should I say? What is this design? Shaker door, yes, shaker door. My name is Joey. I am in my 40s and I'm a senior manager with a tech company. This is Bellwoods, an executive condominium in Woodlands. It's actually a 3-bedded room, but I converted into a 2-bedded now. So as you walk in, you will see my dining area, and to the right is my living room and the balcony. Down the hallway, you'll see the kitchen and followed by the common room. And the last one will be the master room, where I combine one of the common room with the original master room, and you will see the vanity area together with the master toilet. So I moved in here about 7 years ago and I decided to give it a new look. I just prefer light colors, make my house look bright and cozy. So previously my house was a little bit more dark theme, so it looks a little bit smaller. So now I feel like the house is very bright and colors are very pleasing to the eyes. It's actually through Lemonfridge website. I've seen the designs that they did for other homeowners. So it kind of like what I really want also. So I got Royston to do something similar and I gave him my thoughts and incorporated with his ideas. The color palette is more like white, beige, very calm colors, and I prefer white to make the house look a little bit bigger. So he helped me with a lot of combination of the black themes to bring out some of the frames of the doors so that it looks a little bit more outstanding than just plain white. I have a very tough request where I need to house my 100 over shoes in a tall and slim cabinet. So Royston came out with this idea of giving me a white shaker door cabinets where all my shoes are in and I have ample space for new ones. Everywhere is my favorite spot, but if I have to choose one, it will be my master room, where I can finally got a very conducive workstation. I knocked down one of the room, combined with my sleeping area. So it is a very good combination where I can rest and I can just walk over to my studies, and I have a very nice area for my vanity. So that is the perfect combination of all.